A factory line in China quietly did what legacy automakers said could to be done. A family-sized electric SUV, modern, long-range, fully loaded, priced like a used key car in Japan. That vehicle is the 2027 BYD Seal U, and it is already being produced. Not a concept, not a prototype. Real cars rolling off real production lines. What makes this moment unsettling is just the price. It is who this SUV threatens. And why Japan should be paying very close attention. For decades, Japan mastered affordable mobility. Corollas, RAV4S Harriers. Reliable, sensible, globally trusted. But affordability always came with compromise. BYD did accept that rule. The Seal U enters a 7 Japanese brands once dominated. Mid-size SUV, family-focused, export-ready, but built on something different, a true EV-first platform. That matters because Japan's car ecosystem runs on value, auctions, imports, long-term ownership. This car does just compete with new vehicles. It disrupts the used market. BYD's Rise One's built on nostalgia. It was built on batteries. Before cars, BYD powered phones and industrial systems. Then they vertically integrated everything, from chemistry to software to manufacturing. The Seal U is the result, built on BYD SE Platform 3.0. Flat floor, structural battery. Underneath sits the Blade Battery. Stable, durable, long cycle life. Battery size is up to around 87 kWh. Real-world range close to 53 kilometers. Power comes from a single front motor, around 220 horsepower, quiet, smooth, predictable. Interior space is generous, flat rear floor, large cargo area. Families notice this, importers notice this. Inside, it is packed with value. Large rotating display, digital cluster, advanced driver assistance as standard. And then comes the number. Globally, pricing starts near 5.5. In Japan, it could undercut domestic hybrids. That changes depreciation, auction values, buyer behavior. This isn't BYD beating Japan at its own game. It is BYD changing the rules. And in the automotive world, changing behavior changes everything.